ChatGPT says it is created by OpenAI. That is the base of ChatGPT. Uh,
Okay.
and now I will ask a question about Meta AI. We can hear the answer. Please listen.
Okay.
Hello, ChatGPT. Can you tell me who has created Meta Artificial Intelligence? Please listen.
Meta's artificial intelligence is developed by Meta Platforms Inc., formerly known as Facebook Inc. They have various AI projects and research initiatives. Would you like to know more about any specific aspect of their AI work?
Yes, madam. I want to know who is the owner of Meta AI.
The owner of Meta Platforms Inc. is Mark Zuckerberg, who is also the co-founder and CEO. Meta AI is a part of the company's initiatives.
Okay, Jesil, did you hear the answer? Answer കേൾക്കാൻ പറ്റുമോ?
Yes, yes.
What they said, the owner of Meta AI is Mark Zuckerberg. അതാണ്
Yes, yes.
ആൻസർ. ആൻഡ്
Yes, yes.
നമുക്ക് ഇതിനോട് സംസാരിക്കാം. ജെസിലെ ഈ ചാറ്റ് ജി പി ടിയിൽ എത്ര നേരം വേണമെങ്കിലും ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് സംസാരിക്കാം. ഓക്കെ, സോ
Okay.
in this way we can improve our English. Okay, do you
Okay.
have any other questions?
Any other question? Your opinion English Google Translator.
Google Translate is also a very good platform, but it is not possible to ask questions and to talk. In ChatGPT, we can talk, but
Yes,
in
yes.
Google Translate, we can give sentences in Malayalam and it will translate it into English. Or
Okay, okay.
from English to Malayalam, more than 150 languages are there. It will
Okay,
translate.
clear.
Okay.
Okay, you're using Google Assistant?
Yes, I am using Google Assistant also. Google Assistant is equal to ChatGPT. But
Yes, yes, correct.
there is no facility to talk. There is only one platform with whom we can talk. That is ChatGPT. You know
Okay.
that. You know that.
Yes, yes.
Yes. Okay, Jasil. Nowadays you are speaking good English with me. I congratulate you. When you started
Thank you, sir.
practicing, what is it? What is your question?
Yes, yes, here. Continue.
Okay, Jasil. When you joined my spoken English WhatsApp group, it was very difficult for you to speak in English.
Yes, it's
But now,
correct.
yes,
My starting video very, very boring.
it is very, very boring. But nowadays, you are speaking English without any difficulty. Do you agree with that?
Yes, yes, I'm agree.
Yes. And do you think that your English is perfect?
No, no.
Yes. You have to make, I'm sorry, you have to improve your English and you have to perfect your English. You have to, now you have to learn grammar. By
I am
learning,
very practiced.
you start practicing grammar. Usually I say not to practice, not to study grammar. But after developing confidence and fluency, we have to learn grammar. That is my opinion.
Okay, your
Okay.
opinion is very, very correct.
Yes. So how do you learn grammar? Are you using YouTube videos to learn grammar?
Okay.
No. I think you did not understand my question. I am
Yes, yes.
asking you, what is
Grammar
your...
study YouTube using. Okay.
Okay, okay.
Okay.
Okay, Jasil, I think now it is 15 minutes. Now I
Okay.
have to go outside because I have to meet a person.
Okay.
So he is
You are
waiting there.
spending. Okay, you are spending time very, very helpful.
Yes.
Anyway, thank you.
Yes. We can talk later. Okay.
Okay, bye.